Okay, we got the Silverado pulled. Got it off the frame machine in the shop. Fixing to pull this fender off. We got the other one jammed over here, ready to go on. So we'll get that one off and get this one put on. Got the new hood in. We'll try to take it out of the box here in a few minutes, see what it looks like. All right, we got our hood for our 2016 Silverado. We went a little different route than a factory hood. Make that face, please. You on camera. We're gonna unbox it here and see what it looks like.
Can't get the styrofoam block out. Mine was hooked in.
Look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Cow hood.
I never seen it.
That's gonna look good on there.
Come on, guys. Jump, jump.
Let's kind of set it on and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. Get them custom headlights in it. It's gonna look good. I got the cow hood sitting on it from Jigs. That's what it's gonna look like. Working the parts fender. The other fender worked. Ready for some mud. It's coming along. Got the right fender repaired. Got it in prime. Got the driver's side fender repair. Got it in prime. Touched a little up on the inside. Now if we can start sanding the inside of the hood so we can jam it and get some paint on it, put it on. Okay, we got the hood jammed. Everything put on the bottom. Rubber, belt. Got the driver's side fender back on. We fixed to mount the hood. We got the seat belts out. Got them back here on the tailgate. We gotta get them boxed up and the airbag module. Get them sent off and have them reprogrammed so we can get them back in. We're fixing to bolt this hood on. See what this cow hood looks like on this thing. Stay tuned. Bolted in place. And this hood, it lines up. Probably the best I've ever seen of any aftermarket cow hood. I mean, the gaps are nice. Sets even. Both sides. Well, you can't see this because of the paper on it. But I mean, it looks good. Got the new bumper. Fix the sand it, get it ready to paint. Got the new headlights right back here. We got to paint them. So we're getting them taped up, masked off, ready to paint. Gonna color match everything. Real nice headlights, they're tinted. So we're gonna get some more primer on this fender up here also. And then it should be just about ready for final sand and spray. So let's get to work. All right, here's the 16 Chevrolet sitting ready for paint. Next week we'll get it in the paint shop. Get some black color on it. Start putting it back together. But that's it for this week with the 256 Garage.